In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save all open tabs in Brave browser. This is perfect when you're researching, planning a trip, or simply want to pause a busy browsing session and come back later without losing anything. We'll walk through the exact built-in option Brave provides, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're in the window that actually has the tabs you want to keep. Brave can have multiple windows open at once, and the feature we'll use only saves the tabs from the current window, not from every window you might have in the background. Next, open the tabs you want to save. You can load as many as you like: articles, docs, tools, whatever you're working on. The idea is to collect everything you need in one window so you can bookmark them all together in a single move. Now, move your cursor up to the tab strip and right-click on any tab. This click needs to be on the tab itself, not inside the page. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On a Mac, Control-click does the same thing. A small menu will appear with options specific to that tab and the tab bar. From that menu, choose Bookmark All Tabs. That's the key. If you don't see it, double-check that you clicked directly on the tab, not the page content. When you select it, Brave opens a dialog that gathers every open tab in this window and prepares to save them together. You'll be asked to give the new Bookmarks folder a name. Pick something that describes the session, like Market Research, April, or Trip Planning, Tokyo. Clear names make it much easier to find things later. Depending on your setup, you may also see a location choice, such as the Bookmarks bar, or other bookmarks. The Bookmarks bar keeps it visible under the address bar. Other bookmarks tucks it away in your main bookmarks list. Click Save to finish. Brave instantly creates a folder with individual bookmarks for each open tab. You can confirm it by looking at your bookmarks bar or in your bookmarks list. The new folder will be there with the name you chose. Later, you can open items one by one, or right-click the folder to open all at once. Keep in mind, this saves the page links, not things like unsent form entries or temporary logins. That's all you need to preserve an entire browsing session in just a few seconds. It's simple, built-in, and works great for repeating workflows you revisit often. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with Brave.